stairs. It was way down to my car collection, sort of. Whoa! The homemade tree swing. Ooh! Help me out. Going back up the stairs in your socks is a big hassle. Ah, look at that tree that I fell out of. Show the tree that I fell out of. Show the tree that I fell out of and how far I fell out of from.
From here down to the ground.
Neat. Actually not neat. I almost got my whole entire leg busted off. You sure see my ribs busted, broken. Hey, I landed on a rock, so you can't see. I thought you were gonna get too big of a picture. I hate them rocks. They hurt. Remember this, a truck that Dad almost got. What are you doing? Getting too close? What do you want me to do this? See? Oh, it's off. He's trying to camcord me. Oh no. I like her when she does that. I can't make it for some reason. I'm gonna fall. Hey! Well, why don't you try doing this for one time? Why don't you try doing this?
No. No.
Get ready for some rumbling falling.
Don't let go.
Go. Hey, I wasn't looking where I was going. Come here, you. You're gonna get the pencil. Help me. Come here, you. I'm behind you. Funny, Daddy. You'd really like to see me catch Heather on her bike, wouldn't you? Well, I will. I'll catch her on my bare feet. A beer can bottle. Oh, I'm tired. Come here, you little bug. I'm tired. 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 Hey, you like the Nature's Biotics, everybody? I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Hey, look, a club and a can. Race your back. Hey, Daddy.
What?
I love you.
I love you too.
Is she going to do the video now? I don't think there ever is going to be a video if he's camcording. Daddy, let's do it for a minute. Can I too?
Yeah.
Heather goes first because she asked.
Okay. Come here and look at the tree over there.
Let me look. Dad. Oh. Can I look at the flower tree?
There you go.
Does it have any color to it?
Neat.
Look, I'm trying to hit a can. Oh my goodness. Oh my poor little leg.
My poor puppy.
No paddling.
Ouch.
No paddling. No. Hey, look at my Mark McGuire bat. Look at my Mark McGuire bat first. Hey! Looky! Cookie! Looky! Cookie, you're supposed to looky.
Take a
See
picture
my
of me.
McGuire bat.
Look at me, Daddy. Daddy.
I have a cowboy hat too, see? See, look at me, I have a cowboy hat.
Daddy.
Mine.
Here.
Mine. Hey, say hello to Fluffy. I mean, Rover. And this is Fluffy. Hey.
Daddy. Bring a video camera to Travis's on his birthday, okay?
What are you trying to do? Look at their shoes? Her pretty shoes. Oh, God! House. Hey, look at Grandma's perfecto. Ooh,
Got one more left in there?
perfecto.
Daddy,
Okay.
come and get on this side so you can get her fingers and stuff in here. Try to keep your hands over the cupboard though,
Okay.
otherwise
Like-
we'll have to mop the floor.
She's dropping a lot on the floor.
Keep them over the cupboard.
Now let's go see the living room, peoples. Peoples, come on.
Is that your last one? That is taking a picture with her right now.
Oh, peoples. They never let us see. Hey, Dad, show him this writing. Look, it says this. Dad, show him this.
So then this, Jeremy, is for our use. You think we're going to send it to Hollywood?
Why?
Ew. Look, Daddy.
Mr. Fluffy.
Can everybody move out of the way?
There, Jeremy, now you've been in the camera. Are you happy?
Okay, Heather's going to wash
Huh?
her hands.
Yeah, I just wanted you to show him what my baseball practice is.
Hey, Heather's going to wash her hands now.
Nah! Hey, come outside. Oh, yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Oh. Now let's go see the family living room.
This is sexy like glue.
Yep.
Oh shit, Molly, I love this food. But I hate tea.
Hi.
Mr. Fuzzball, it's Heather's pet. Look down there. It's my grandma's room.
Daddy.
Look in here. It's Heather's. Oh, the master room. Come right this way so I can show you the master room. Ha 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 ha. Hey Heather, this is Mom and Dad's. Hey, this is Heather's room. You can definitely tell it's a little girl's room, can't you? Let's go this way. Oh, it's going down the mine. Yay. He's going down the mine, grandma's room. No, he's going outside. Come on, let's please go outside. Here. Go up on the deck. Let's go. Okay, I don't want my room being camcorded, okay? So, you can't see. No, stay back, stay back. Ow, 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 that's my foot. Ow.
This is Jeremy's room. This is how he likes to keep it.
Oh, no, I don't. I'm just sorting through books.
There's his messy toy box. There's his messy bed. There's his messy floor.
There's my radio. Doot that, boo bop, that. Oh, my cards.
It's his messy closet.
This is Grandma's nice, clean bed room. This is our nice, clean stairs. This is my nice, clean card set. Watch this, peoples. All the way over to the floor. And watch this.
And
The
the
master.
bed's been made.
Oh my gosh! What? Somebody's camcording you.
Danny, leave me alone.
That's my cat, Tyler.
You can have them.
He's right there up on there. Open up. He's right there. Oh, no, he's not.
Danny, you get upstairs and we'll try Cooper.
Oh, that's okay.
Here, Danny, come closer. Come closer, Danny. Come closer so this can be put up on the camera so you can read it whenever you want to.
The batter. I didn't know if the batter turned out. I think I might have bought the wrong kind. It's a lot of bad or something like that. This is really fine. Okay, start.
No, he's not.
Look, his best shot.
No!
Don't just keep running it. Turn it off. There we go.
I got $60. Come here, I want to show you my part.
I'm with you after all that work.
That's what she's making them for.
That's what you're making it for?
Boy, I bet they're hard to let go. But you started singing it to him a long time ago. Look, buddy, I'm not your parent, but I can tell you that you're not getting any candy because that's exactly what you said.
That was great. Oh, that's a good one. For you, you're gonna see yourself laughing.
This dog just loves me. You know you're here. Now you watch out.
You got the yard cleaned up. Did it
Come
look
here,
better?
Dexter.
Didn't even notice. See, you did.
Did you put on the form game?
Carrot all in the bag.
Form game?
Stuff down there. I got our cotton on picked up. Got all the wet.
He's in your room.
Or not.
Dexter.
Bark that fell off the hood.
Dexter.
and stuck out there.
You're a wiggle worm. This Dexter of yours is a wiggle worm.
Yes.
For some reason, Mom,
The wiggle dog.
Mom,
Yeah?
guess what? My ankle still hurts from Dad stepping on it.
Yay.
And it's getting swollen, I know it. I can feel it.
Why don't you take a look at it?
Travis,
Take a video of his ankle.
I got 2 bags for you.
2 bags.
Don't leave for a while.
2 bags of what?
One of them is Travis's racing thing you want to give Jeremy. That mat.
Oh, yeah.
And the back's falling off of it, so.
Yeah.
It's not fun. But he is.
I've seen your ankle.
He was all right.
Where?
And
Everywhere on the red. It's swelling up.
I know there's some
Right here?
shorts in there.
There?
Jeremy can wear this.
No,
There.
it's on the whole entire side.
No, those shoes like that wiggle on me.
You know what? I have this thing that really annoys me
What?
about people that stand around with a video.
You wanna sit down? What?
He
I'm
can't right now.
fixing to go cap it.
Huh?
Travis said
Fixing to go cap his
Oh,
hands.
Denny's.
There's Heather. And this is her first bicycle wreck.
Stand up and show Daddy your boo-boos.
There's the knees. Look up under there. There's her feet. There's her ankle. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this.
How about that pretty smiling face?
There it is.
Okay, Heather, stand up and show him your alley on your stomach.
Come on.
I never saw that one.
Stand up, Heather. Hang on. Move your arm.
Stand up and show him you got alleys on your back.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Are you ready yet?
No.
Tell me when.
Okay.
Ready?
Now, show me your owie.
Okay. There. Happy?
Turn on around here. Okay, now show me the owie on your side.
Howie.
Turn on around. Turn on around. No, the other way.
Johnny, sound over.
Now show it.
There's something like that on both
What's
sides.
that on your leg, on your butt?
Hmm?
Where's up that? Where's up your thing?
And there's that. That was my first injury car wreck.
Bicycle wreck.
It seemed like a car wreck. I fell down the hill. Even I rolled my little hand. Da-da.
You did what? Fell down the hill?
Rolled down the hill is what I mean. But, no. That's what I mean. I'm trying to make it take funny, Mama.
I wasn't looking. That's like I knew I was
And the ball behind there. And see if I meant to do it. Dum-dee-dee-dee-dee.
So show Daddy how you walk right now. Then you need to back out a little bit. Show Daddy how you walk.
Hang on a minute. Let me back up here.
There, happy? I'm back now. Oh. That's why I'm getting up from this little seat of mine. I guess I'm going to stick it on
my
it.
elbow.
And my scrape on my elbow. And
It's
that
on
was
your
that.
forehead.
Scrape on your elbow, huh?
I'm joking.
And the scrape up here where the cat scraped me up there on the eye. Daddy,
What?
I think we should do the video now.
You want to watch?
Look at it.
Concentrate on
So you're
that.
looking at me.
There's some-
Okay, you're not looking
Heather,
Huh?
say your vowels again. Real slowly.
Huh?
Say them slowly.
A, E, I, U, and sometimes Y.
at me. A-E-I.
You missed one.
What?
Say it again.
O,
Say them all.
A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y.
That's cool. When did you learn that?
I just now learned it, well, about like 35 minutes ago. 3,500 seems like that.
And what are they called?
Vowels.
That's right.
I taking a picture of my face.
What are the rest of the letters called?
Capital.
No?
Views.
No?
Conoma.
Consonants?
Consonant. Daddy. Here's my first call wreck. I mean, bike wreck. And there's my knee. Oh. And here's that girl's Daddy, she's just laying there on the
What?
ground. Everybody feels sorry for her,
I think I
Daddy.
should just go like this so you can see my whole face.
Look, she's just laying there.
Hey, you ever seen this home family picture? Heather was about 2 at that time. See? Right here. And now my mom's being camcordered instead of a
Now
picture.
he's dead. See, Daddy? Don't strange that out. What's a weird age? Look at the hallway. It's so beautiful. It's every day. That's my whole day. Oops. That was Stevie.
One day, there was some hay. That hay went to the bay, and the bay said, I'm hungry, to munch on the mum tree.
Right there, that looks life size in the viewer.
What?
I hit her in the head. That's right. Now that was fun, people. I'm a clown indeed. And that's it. Daddy almost tripped over the wire. Aren't we so sad? Boo-hoo-hoo, boo-hoo. That's not who's there. Pokemon, I guess. Pokemon, I guess who? I know. You!
Oh, what's he trying to do? Get your foot?
Come closer.
Hey, look, my muscles. Dad,
Look at
look
Mama.
at mine.
Well,
Can't really show your muscles. Hi. What are you trying to do? Look at a bear. Bet you can't follow it. Told you.
Daddy.
I'm lost in the light mist, aren't I?
Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Daddy, look at the beautiful yucky house. What is yucky mean? What is beautiful mean? I don't know what beautiful means. Supposed to be, huh? Grandpa 70,000. Okay. Jeremy went and got the neighbor, and mine.
No, ladies. I mean, a lady and a little girl. Be nice